y'all, what's up? This your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we have a lovely wholesale Valentine's Day try on. So I'm not gonna ramble, I'm gonna just get right into the video. That way you can see what items I picked up. I tried my best to be able to bring something to you that was decent and something that was, you know, I should know my size by now, y'all. I should know my size. That's all I'm saying. I should know my size by now. And I'm saying because I'm like, why did I try to get an item twice and still it's off? So maybe it's probably something going on with their size in there, because I know I had to have gotten it right this time. But anyway, let's get right into the video. So the first item I got was the lovely casual hooded collar letter printed wine red hoodie, which sells for $11.99. I will have it down at the bottom somewhere. It sells for $11.99. I got a 2X in this. So this is what it looks like right here. And I don't know, on the model it looks so much different, and it's picking up more redder than what it really is. It actually have pockets on the side. It's picking up more red on the camera, and hopefully once I show it to you on when I'm modeling, that way you'll see the true color of it. I'm hoping. It says Faith on the front, so I really like that. The sleeves, I really love the sleeves. So it comes with a hood, and it is a 2X, but and it's very stretchy. But the thing is that, y'all, it was kind of tight up in the arm area, so I will show y'all either right here or right there. Probably already modeling for you, that way you will know. Now, I paired this with a pair of black jeans or something, but I can also pair it with a pair of blue jeans, and I just wasn't feeling it like that with the blue jeans, but I did put the black jeans on with it. I probably would, being that I have black on, I would have to probably pair it with a black bag or something like that. Also, my shoes would have to probably be something on the burgundy line, but this looks like it's like burgundy and black. I have some shoes that's like that I really could have paired it with, but I really didn't know what to pair this with. But this is the first item. So let's go ahead on, and we're going to get into the second item. And the second item I got was this like Burberry looking dress. Oh, that I'm wearing right now. This dress is so stretchy, so stretchy. And this is the lovely casual plaid printed khaki knee length dress. You can see me modeling it. I love it. I would pair this like she have on with a pair. Well, actually, I would pair it with a pair black shoes. I don't have any red, so I would pair it with, or even some, wait a minute, hold up, I do have some like khaki type tan shoes I could pair this with a tan bag. I don't know how I would dress it up, either with the black shoes and the tan bag, or with the two tans, or even with the black and black, or you know what I'm saying. But all I know is that this right here, I really like it. It's really form-fitting. It's not too tight or anything, so I'm really excited about this. And this was like $10.49. It was in a size extra large. So extra large, I know my sizes in Lovely Wholesale, so I don't even know what the deal is with this. And this right here, it says stretchy material. It's quince, what is that, quince cumish? I don't know the material, but anyway, I really do like it. I'm going to be modeling it right there on the side for you guys to be able to see. So the next item I got was a two-piece lovely casual patchwork black two-piece pants set. Honey, I done wore this set already. You heard me. I wore the set already. And these are in a size 2X. I could have got a 1X. Look at the pattern on here. It's like jogger-like pants, but they are like, you could dress them up, you could dress them down, whatever you want to do. I wore my black fur boots with these, y'all. I even wore my my fur fanny pack that had the Gucci sign on it. The jacket is like really nice. I love the material. It fits very well. So the pricing of this, you will not believe it, is $14.49. Okay, $14.49 all day long. So these are a 2X, and I'm going to model it right on the side right there for you guys. I love this outfit right here. This outfit is like really nice. So let me see if I can go here on and get into the next. Okay, The next one is the Lovely Casual Camouflage Printed Green Coat. Now, this is where the I came from in the beginning of this video, y'all, because I had got this jacket before in another Lovely Wholesale video. And I'm telling you, this right here, I did not make the mistake. This time I got a 3X. Maybe did I get a 3X last time? I don't know. But I'm going to find out. Maybe I should have got a 4X, y'all, because it's tight up in here. Still, it's tight. And when I got it, I didn't iron it, so this was stuck up like this, and I could not put it down, but I have to iron it. Once I iron it, it'll come down. But this is very stretchy, y'all. I'm not giving this one away. I'm just going to lose these big ass arms, that way I can be able to wear it. Now, I will pair this with a black pair of pants or some camouflage pants, and I will get my little, I have like some Louis Vuitton boots that I have that has all different types of camouflage in it. I will wear this with, honey, and a green fanny pack. I'm telling you, it's, oh my goodness, this right here is like really nice, really nice. The interior looks like this, and I've showed you guys this before. It flares out the bottom, so y'all gonna see it over there on the side right there, honey, what it was. So again, this was $14.49. And I'm like, what, where, why, how? I keep getting this wrong. I do not know. So I'm going to go ahead on and pull up the next item that I got. Where's that at? Okay. The next item I got, I really love this one, y'all. It's a Lovely Casual Patchwork Gray 2-piece pant set, which was $15.49. Now, this one right here is like a Gucci inspired. You see the double G's, honey? Yes. If you don't get nothing else, y'all better get some of this stuff here. This is really nice. You see the jacket here? It is really put together, really nice. Y'all see it on the video. I will show it to you on the video, or I probably already have it up there. I'm not sure. But this outfit right here, y'all, I wore this already too, and I'm telling you, the pants is like very, very stretchy. Oh my goodness. I think I got this in, what did I get this in? What size? Let me see. What size did I get this in? I don't really remember what size. I think it was an extra large or a 2X. I think it's a 2X. Let's see. Either extra large or a 2X. 2X. That's what I got it in. And I'm telling you, y'all, this right here, yes. This you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's white on the inside of here. But you can't see that. You cannot see that, honey. And I think I could have got the pants like in a 1X or a large actually. But still, if you can see from the video, you see how big these are, honey? You can fit these. Believe that. If you're my size, you can fit these. Plus, you'll have some room left over. But it also fits your body, whereas though it's like, it's just right on up in there. You know what I'm saying? So, I know it did for me. Y'all see it. But, I got 5 items from them. And I really, really enjoyed the Fendi type of look that they have. The Fendi inspired jumper, honey. And also the Gucci inspired 2-piece. And also the Burberry inspired dress. I really enjoyed this one, the Gucci one, and the Fenty inspired. And I just knew I was going to enjoy this one right here. But, honey, I could not even like really be comfortable in it because my arms, so I don't know, but I know that I'm keeping this because the last one I think was a 2X, and I couldn't keep it. I had to give it away because it was too darn small. But this one fits me, but it, you know, it zippins, but not all the way up like that. And the arms, I can't really, I'm like this. So no, we're not about to do that. Now this one right here, I thought that the color was going to be way more rich burgundy than this. If you can see by the picture, you will see that it is more rich a color. And then I think I should have went up like to a 3X on this because it's like too tight in the arm area. I don't know. It's stretchy, but it feels like a jogging type suit, but it's too stretchy. And I didn't know that the material was gonna look like, cause I didn't know that it was gonna I thought it was gonna be like sweater like, not like jogger type, but it's still really nice. You know what I'm saying? So people, you know, you can get your faith on, honey. But I only picked up 5 items, so that concludes my Lovely Wholesale Valentine's Day try on haul. And Everything you need to know will be in the D box, the description box down below. If you have any questions, just let me know. I will put all of the links down. I will put where you can purchase this stuff at and other items that they do have at Lovely Wholesale. I have been collabing with Lovely Wholesale for a long time now, and they really do have some nice things on their site, because if they didn't, I wouldn't continue to collab with them. So that's the reason why I say they do. But you do have to be mindful of their sizes. Just measure yourself. And I thought I measured myself, but sometimes I think the clothing can probably be a little too, maybe in some areas, you know, a little tighter than the other one. I don't know, but I do have some big juicy ass arms, guys. So, also, if you would like to purchase any of these items or any of their other items on their website, which is lovelywholesale.com, what you can do is use my coupon code, which is Janet10, and it will give you 10% off your purchase, okay? So use that coupon code. I will have that also down in the D box, which is the description box. Comment which outfit you like the most. Comment whether y'all think that I was wearing that Gucci one or whether you think I was wearing that Fendi one. Now, I'm going to tell you, these jackets, they supposed to come and have your stomach showing. I'm going to tell you how my stomach is set up. It's set up weird, so I had 3 kids, okay? And I'm not about to walk outside with a whole bunch of stretch marks on my stomach. We're not about to do that, okay? Because you do have to have some type of decency, you know what I'm saying, about yourself. You know what I'm saying? Maybe some folk don't care, but J baby, she care. Okay, so what I did was just put a cami on underneath of it, and I wore it with my fanny pack. Sometimes I slid the fanny pack to the side, that way you can see exactly what was going on. So, J baby just wants you to know, be blessed and not stressed, and J baby is signing off.